Hi everyone, this is Keshav from iDevice Slash, and a very great news for all of those out there who want to jailbreak their iPhone. Checkra1n now officially supports iOS 14. So as in this video, I'll show you how you can jailbreak iOS 14 using Checkra1n jailbreak on a Windows machine. And for those who don't really know, Checkra1n officially does not support Windows. It's very easy to jailbreak using macOS or Linux if you want to use Checkra1n, but the process is little bit harder on Windows. But in this video, I'll show you how you can properly jailbreak your iPhone, and a huge shout out to JustAttack for making these ISO files so that we can easily run Checkra1n on our Windows machine. Okay, enough talks. Drop a like if you're excited because this is gonna be really fun, and I'll just take you to my Windows screen. Okay, so you are on my Windows screen right now. The first step you have to do is just go ahead and open any web browser and go to the first link in the description. This is the official website of JustAttack. This is a guy who made the custom ISO file which works with Windows. You have to boot into that custom ISO file. So a huge shout out to JustAttack. All the credits for the ISO file goes to him. I'll link his channel down in the description below just so that you guys can also check it out. Okay. Go to this link and then there you'll see Checkra1n Jailbreak 0.11.0 download link from iOS 12 to iOS 14 by JustAttack. So you just can go to any download link. There are two download links. Most likely the first one will work, but if it doesn't, you can just jump to second download link, and then it's a 206 megabyte file. This is not a small file, so then you just have to click on the little download button. It's very basic, and there you can see the file is now downloaded. And as I said, this is not a small file. So once you download the file, all you have to do is just go ahead and visit the second link in the description. This will take you to the official website of Rufus. This is a software which will put this ISO file into this USB. You cannot just go ahead and move it to your USB and boot into that. No, that's not how it works. You have to burn that ISO file into that pen drive. I'll show you how you can do that, but just go ahead and go to rufus.ie. Again, it's linked down in the description below. Scroll all the way down until you see a little download button, and then there you'll see Rufus 3.11, and that's very small, 1.11 megabytes. Once you do that, you just have to click on the little download button, and there you go. The download has started. As you can see on the bottom left corner of my screen, the file is now downloaded, and this is just a simple exe file. No zip, none of stuff like that. And then let me show you the official website of Checkra1n Jailbreak. So as you can see, it says iOS 12 and above, and you can see support for iOS 14, and you can read the announcement too. It's in beta right now, but yeah, I'm showing you how you can do that, so a thumbs up for that. Okay, so once you download all the files required in order to perform the jailbreak, all you have to do is just go ahead and jump to File Explorer, and once you do that, you can just go to downloads or wherever you saved your downloaded file, and then you just can double click on rufus.exe, which was very small file. I said you it's 1 megabyte. You have to open that exe file. Once you do that, you can see that's on your screen right now. And now all you have to do is just go ahead and go to Explorer and then extract that 216 megabyte zip file. Let me break it down for you. Open Rufus, then using WinRAR or any extractor, just go ahead and extract the files on any directory you want to, and there you go. A folder will be created named Checkra1n Jailbreak for iOS 14 by JustAttack, and again a huge shout out to JustAttack. Once you do that, you have to open that folder, and their instructions are mentioned if you want to read. By the way, if you're following this video, you don't even need to read the instructions because I'll break down every single thing for you. And then just go ahead and open Checkra1n Jailbreak by JustAttack, and there you'll find a ISO file. So under type, you can see it says disk image file. That's the file you have to select. That's the file you need in order to burn into your pen drive. So again, I'll explain it in later part of the video how these things work, but all you have to do is just go ahead and hit on the select button, jump to the folder, then again jump to the folder, and there you'll see that disk image. You have to select that 216 megabyte ISO file, not the zip file, the ISO file, into Rufus, and then go ahead and bring your pen drive. It could be anywhere from like 1 GB to 8 GB or something like that. It doesn't even matter. Then all you have to do is just go ahead and plug the pen drive. Once you do that, in Rufus you can see your pen drive, and you have to select that pen drive over here. We have already selected the ISO file, and now all you have to do, just go ahead and hit on the little start button, hit OK, again hit OK. Anytime it says anything, just go ahead and hit on OK. Well, by the time it's burning that ISO file into your pen drive, I just want to warn you one thing, that just back up everything from your pen drive. Every single thing from your pen drive will be deleted. So just go ahead and put every single thing in your pen drive into your PC, or backup it any cloud or all that stuff. Okay, so once it's there, it's loading, I'll just have to tell you a few things. So if I just go ahead and jump to YouTube, and then I'll just go ahead and search for iOS 14 jailbreak, there are a lot of videos that show you how you can jailbreak iOS 14. So many of these videos are 100% fake. So as you can see, this guy says that iOS 14 jailbreak, uncover no computer. Well, that's not even possible. Uncover doesn't even support iOS 14, and how this guy is showing you, you can see on Uncover's official website, it says from iOS 11.0 to iOS 13.5. If Uncover was supported with iOS 14, I think Uncover team knows best. So you all know these videos are fake. The only possible way is using, and I'm showing you how you can do that. So it's just a request, don't fall for those scam videos. And many people just think that Checkra1n is possible without PC. No, my friend, you need to perform a Checkra1n jailbreak. You do need to have a computer. Well, that's the only downside of Checkra1n jailbreak. And another thing that I want to address here, by the time you're watching this video, the links will be get updated every time you watch this video. Checkra1n jailbreak for iOS 14 only supports iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and iPhone SE. The older iPhone SE, iPad 5th generation, Air 2, Mini 4, and some Apple TVs, and iPad Pro 1st generation. Okay, you might be like, whoa, what was that? Checkra1n supports all the devices from iPhone 6s to iPhone 10. No, with iOS 14, Apple did something really bad, that Checkra1n now does not support iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X. The support for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus will be added soon. So as you can see on their official website, I'll link it down in the description below. It clearly says that the devices we hope will get supported in coming weeks. So after a few weeks you're watching this video, the links might be get updated. If they don't, I'll just go ahead and put my own link. By the time you're watching this video, if it's after 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully it supports iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. But if you're watching this video like really quickly when the video got released, the only supported devices are here. Hope soon iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus will get supported, and it is 90% sure iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and iPhone 10 won't ever be supported by Checkra1n jailbreak. That's we all know. Okay, so that's here. The file is completely burned into the pen drive, and by burn I don't mean anything wrong. It's just like putting the ISO file into the pen drive, and there you can see it says again start. So you just don't have to do that, and all you have to do, hit on the close button. Again, I just want to again say you that please don't fall for those scammy videos. They are just all insane. The only possible way to jailbreak iOS 14 is via Checkra1n, and the supported devices are iPhone 6, 6s, 6s Plus, and the old iPhone SE, and some iPad and iPad Pros. So I'll link the full list down in the description below. So all you have to do now is just go ahead and shut down your PC. Okay, hey, editor Keshav here. So a quick little thing that I just forgot to mention is that once you just go ahead and turn off your PC, before jailbreaking, go to settings and turn off any password you have. It's just a personal recommendation. You can set it back once you are jailbroken. Why I'm saying you to remove password? Because many times when you use password, you might end up facing errors at the end when you try to jailbreak your iPhone. So if you face any problem, the simple solution is just go ahead and remove any type of password you have, because you might face some connection drops and all that stuff when you have connected your phone to your PC. So the best thing is to just go ahead and remove any password. Okay, back. And then just go ahead and unplug your pen drive and replug it. All you have to do, go ahead and power on your PC while pressing a key to enter in boot menu simultaneously. This is very important. So now, I'll just go ahead and click on the power button while rapidly pressing F12. I'll just go ahead and press F12, and there you can see preparing one-time boot menu. How do you know which is the key to enter in one-time boot menu for your laptop? Most likely it's F12, F4 and F5. But I'll link a full list down in the description below, so you can just go ahead and have a peek which is the key to enter in one-time boot menu for your laptop. Once you do that, under UEFI boot or legacy boot, whichever suits you the best, just go ahead and select your pen drive, the name of your pen drive. So mine is a SanDisk pen drive. I'll just go ahead and select SanDisk here. Just don't select anything randomly. Just select your pen drive name here and hit the little enter button. And there you can see Checkra1n Windows Jailbreak for iOS 14. Again, a huge shout out to Just the Tech. This guy is just amazing. Just go ahead and subscribe his YouTube channel. And now you can see all the crazy codes and all that stuff going on your screen. Don't worry. And boom, there you can see Checkra1n is live on our Windows machine. Well, that's pretty great. And now the easiest part comes in, and many people just think that this is quite easy and they miss a few steps. So again, I have to tell you, just go ahead and bring your lightning cable to connect your phone to your PC. Again, make sure it's a high quality lightning cable so that you don't face any connection drops during the Checkra1n jailbreak. Once you do that, just go ahead and plug your lightning cable into your PC, and I'll just go ahead and do the same thing. And now once you do that, you plug your lightning cable into your PC, just go ahead and bring your phone. So as you can see, this here is an iPhone 7 which is obviously running on iOS 14, as you can probably tell from the widgets and all that stuff. And you might be like, what? iPhone 7 is not even supported yet by the time I'm making this video. Well, I just have to show you how to jailbreak your device. Okay, so just go ahead and plug your phone into your PC, and there you can see Checkra1n completely says that sorry, iPhone 7 is not supported on iOS 14 at this point. The support will be added in the near future, and it's completely true because we have seen these things on Checkra1n's official website, and this is quite important. Your phone is prompting you to trust the computer, and many people just go ahead and miss this step. If you have a compatible device, go ahead and you have to just go ahead and hit on the little trust button, and you have to type in your password. So I'll just go ahead and do the same thing. Once you do that, I can't show you the process that what you have to do next, but it's completely simple. You have to just follow all the instructions on your screen. Why I can't show you? Because I already told you iPhone 7 is not yet supported by the time I'm making this video. Only iPhone 6, 6s, 6s Plus and iPhone SE are supported. But I guarantee you this will 100% work for you. It's completely simple. Follow all the instructions on your screen. Well, that pretty much marks the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I did while making it. If you did, a sub to the channel would be phenomenal, and I'll catch you guys the next time. Peace.